my lovely ladies and handsome gents. I hope that you're having a wonderful day today. My name is Bo, and this is Talk to the Hand Reviews. And I like to talk about fragrance, you know. And so today I want to talk about, these are some fragrances that are really great in summer, but not just because they're great summer fragrances, because they elevate you to, they actually, I feel, have some extra level of cooling property. Whether or not that's actually so, I don't know. But these fragrances just make me feel like if I want to feel like 10 degrees cooler, any of these will take me into a much fresher, much lighter type of atmospheric feeling. So here we go. Ready? And don't forget, right below, if you have any like that, they're just like magically, you just can pull them out and like spray them on, and then will cool you, make you feel at least psychologically cooler, you know. Here we go. Number 1, Arden Green Tea. You probably know, and if you don't, it is just the most beautiful fresh green tea fragrance, and of course created by the master Francis Kirkjohn long ago. But this just, it is a mood lifter, in my opinion. It's mood lifter, it's cool, it's just a really, really great fragrance if you're going to be in a warmer climate and you're going to want to cool down. It's fantastic. Arden Green Tea. Versace Versense. Beautiful light bergamot lime kind of thing going on. Just makes you feel just fresh. I mean, this is just fresh citrus. So stunning. I really like it. And very like woman in like a all white suit. In an all white suit, just like out, like, I don't know, it just seems like a very, very fresh type of profile fragrance. Okay, Versace Versense just takes me to another level of cool. This one was a gift from my friend Odin Michelle, a really sweet person, YouTuber here. Please go do check her out. She sent me this, and I was so curious about it. And when I smelled it, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't ever need another fragrance again. This is just so much what I love in a fragrance. It is Happy Chopard Lemon Dulci. This is just so classy. Everything about it. This little top is like glass. It's not plastic. And if it is plastic, they did a good job of faking glass. This beautiful bottle, but the fragrance inside, it's like a cross between mint and lemons. I just feel like this fragrance, it will take you to another fresher place in your day. It is just that extra level. Happy Chopard Lemon Dulci, and thanks again, Michelle. Truly one of my new very, very favorites. Tea Rose from Perfumer's Workshop. This is really, it's like my very favorite rose fragrance. I think the reason it's here is that it's a fresh rose. It's a fresh, crisp green rose. It's an uplifting, happy rose. Maybe not quite as uplifting as some of the others that have more citrus in them, but nonetheless, if you love rose, this is still my favorite. I love this. I have Mancera Roses Greedy, and I love that one, but I don't have any rose fragrances that top this. I've never smelled a rose fragrance that tops this for me, and it's so affordable. It's another one I used to sell behind the counter. You had to get it behind the counter. Was it drugstore? I don't think they had this in drugstore. They might have. But for the most part, you had to get this behind the counter. Someone had to, you had to buy it from out behind the counter. This was not made for a discount market. And so Tea Rose Eau de Toilette Spray is still my favorite. And another bit of something else about it is Carolyn, I can't remember her name, but the woman who played the original Morticia, this was her favorite fragrance. Yeah, and I absolutely adore it. It's my top 3 favorites. This Lair Blue and Je Reviens from Worth. Those are my top 3 fragrances of lifetime. There are more besides that, but those 3 I don't ever want to be without. Never, never, never. If I stop this channel tomorrow and I decide I'm not going to buy any more fragrances, those 3 I will absolutely buy again. And probably some other ones, you know, like just, but these 3. Marc Jacobs Perfect EDT. I feel like this is such a fresh poolside fragrance. You know, it's got something very, it doesn't say it has aquatic, but something in it just reminds me of being by the pool. It is a very fresh, uplifting floral. Yeah. And the Eau de Parfum, it's not quite as uplifting, even though I love that one. It's a beautiful floral, but it's more floral. This has this other thing that I don't remember smelling in the Eau de Parfum. So the Eau de Toilette for me is a very fresh fragrance. Marc Jacobs Perfect. And when I first saw the cap, I was like, oh no, I don't really want to, like, you know, contribute to, you know, landfill or whatever. But then I was like, this is so pretty, and I'm just gonna keep this bottle forever, you know, so it's okay. It's a little statue kind of thing. Oh, so silly. Okay, moving on. Thé Blanc from Solinotes Eau de Parfum. It is just it's just like Arden white tea. Just really beautiful. A beautiful white tea fragrance. Just smells like straight white tea. If you know what white tea smells like, this will not be a surprise to you. Solinotes, but not that many people talk about Solinotes. I have a few things from them, and I really like this one. Okay, Thé Blanc from Solinotes. Or Arden white tea. Same idea, refreshing, uplifting. Okay, this one also really kind of stands out because it is so, I don't know, I feel like there's something special about it. I feel like there's something special about this one that makes it makes it unique. It is Aqua Motu from Comptoir Pacifique. It is the most beachy beach fragrance I have ever smelled. You are at the beach, not the pool. You're at the beach. It's similar to some other popular at the beach type of fragrances, but it takes it another level. I believe there's you can really smell, it smells like seaweed and salt and fresh air. Like, it just smells so good, but it smells like a fragrance, like a perfume. It doesn't smell weird, you know, it smells so good. And I've found that when I spray this in the room or I spray it on, I'll leave and I come back, it's still like laying in the middle of the room. Aqua Motu Comptoir Pacifique, absolutely uplifting. And if you have some tropical vacation planned, if you want to get ready for that and you want to put yourself into the mood, I think this is the absolute best fragrance for that I have ever smelled. Yeah, Aqua Motu Comptoir Pacifique. And did you write below some of your own summer fragrances? I would like to know. So would everyone else here. So please do. Please do. Okay, the last one. It is L'Amour Lalique. What a gorgeous bottle, eh? With the little tassel. Woo, woo, woo. Swing it around. Okay, so this is another gorgeous, uplifting, extremely citrusy fragrance. It's very, very similar to Versace Versense and also 724 from Francis Kurkdjian. Just that very light, fresh profile. gorgeous, gorgeous fragrance. Very light, very citrus forward, probably very bergamot. I don't remember what's in it, but not a lot of floral, but a lot of citrus. So, L'amour Lalique. So my lovely ladies and handsome gents, there are 8 fragrances that I feel are uplifting and will add more freshness, especially to a hot day or a stuffy situation in your life. Maybe just, you know, duck out to the parking lot in your car like, oh yeah, oh that's so much better. Or whatever the case may be. Anyways, thanks so much for coming to see me, and I really appreciate that you take time to come and see me. And like I said, right below, anything that you want, but most especially your favorite summer fragrances. Okay, bye!